how to back up data from Hinge. If you want to back up your data from Hinge, what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Hinge application. And we want to back up our data by using the request a copy of your personal data feature. To do this, once you open Hinge, come to your profile page, tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side that says settings and just tap on it. Scroll down until you find the option called download my data, which you'll be able to find here. Tap on download my data and simply select your country. Then tap on download my data here. Confirm your email. If it's not the correct email, tap the edit button to confirm it. Then tap on submit. Hinge will take some time to actually go ahead and then set up all of these, every type of data that you have, and it will email you when the data is ready over there. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can keep a backup of your data on Hinge. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.